to live with this for the rest of my life.
Artists, please reveal the name on the bottom of your skull.
I am nervous.
Joey.
Craig.
Come on, Craig. Jimmy.
You ever had that feeling when you're on the edge of a cliff, you just want to throw yourself off?
I feel the love.
Tattoo baby.
Oh my god. Hell yeah. Now I just gotta worry about the pain I'm about to feel.
Jackie.
Gordon, I mean Jason.
Mine says bitch.
And obviously, Joshua, Kyle, you're the final team.
We may form a brotherhood or bond from it, but I haven't been too happy with the kid in the past. We'll see.
You will have 4 hours as a team to tattoo both tattoos. There is one detail I left out. As an added bonus, Jägermeister is giving the